In this video, I will show you how you can use Google Meet on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, let's download Google Meet on our iPad. Now just open the App Store and search this. Over here, now in the App Store, just tap on Install and install Google Meet on your iPad. After that, just tap on Open. Now if you have just downloaded Google Meet on your iPad, you will have the option to use Google Meet with a Gmail account, or you can use it without using a Gmail account. For example, if I select join a meeting with a code, I just give Google Meet all these permissions. Now after that, just select cancel. As you can see, we are now able to use Google Meet without a Google account. Now in this mode, you can join meetings by using meeting codes, which you will get from the person who is arranging the meeting. And also you can use a link to join the meetings, but what I recommend is just use a Gmail account with the Google Meet. Now for that, just tap on the profile account and select sign in and use your Gmail account. Just like that. Now just select continue. Now just tap on note now. And as you can see, we have successfully added our Google account in Google Meet. Now if you tap on new, you can arrange a new meeting, you can create a link for a meeting, and you can schedule a meeting. For example, let's create a link. Just tap on create link. Now if you tap on share, you will be able to share this meeting link with anyone you want to join in this meeting. Just like that. Or you can copy the link and you can paste it directly to anywhere you want. Just like that. Now if you go back under scheduled, you will find all your scheduled meetings. And also on this page, you will find the history of all the meetings which you have joined. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.